guys, it's your girl Shay Vaughn, and I'm back with another video. If you don't know, I'm Shay. I just said my name. Okay, wait, stop.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my...
Hey guys, it's your girl Shay Vaughn, and in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I interlock my hair. It's nothing really to it. You just need one tool. I don't use any product. I literally just... You gotta have some hours in your day. I can get it done in a day. So if you have hours, I'm talking 8 hours plus. You need at least 16 hours. Let me think. Yeah, you need at least 10 hours.
And it went from 8 to 6 to 4.
Okay. My preference is to wash my hair after I interlock because I just get to feel my scalp more. It does a better cleanse for me and I just love it. So we're gonna get into the tutorial, and my hair is dirty. Okay, my hair has some buildup and it's very obvious on camera, but in person it's not as obvious. But with the lighting that I have, it made it super obvious that my hair has buildup and product in it. We're gonna get into this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. I tried to stay in frame as much as I could while my arms were killing me. You will see me leaning down some because that's just, after so many hours of doing this, your body just go to the side you own, and you just be leaning like this doing it. And if you're on the side, you leaning like that because your arms be dead. Your arms and shoulders be dead. They be done. They be like, girl, if you don't wrap this shit up. So I had to wrap that shit up. So let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I like to section my hair off. So I use braids, clips, ponytail holders, whatever is near me, to work in smaller sections. That's what I use. Yes, this is the dirty hair we were discussing. This is her. She is here, okay? The tool that you use to interlock your hair, the interlocking tool, it has the point at the top, and in the middle it's a little wider, and then at the end it is smaller. So the reason that it is smaller is to, I guess, lock your hair in place depending on the size of your lock. Because I have curly ends, I like to loop my hair and just pull it right on through and then slide it right on over. Pull it through, slide over, and it kind of locks it. So it doesn't slip out. We love that. There are a couple methods to locking your hair. There's a 2-point, a 3-point, a 4-point, and I personally use the 4-point. That's just what I've been using. I don't know, it's just my lucky number, I guess. So I use the 4-point, and I'm going to show you guys in 1 second it explained. So if you picture a clock and you have the 12, the 3, the 6, and 9, I start at the 3. From the 3, so I insert at 3 o'clock and then it pulls through at 9. I insert at 6 o'clock and it pulls through at 12. I insert at 9 o'clock and it pulls through at 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's how I do mine. You don't have to do it in that order, but that's how I've started doing mine, so that's how I continue to do mine. If you were to picture, I guess, like a compass, I start at east, go to south, go to west, then I go to north. That's my 4-point way. If you were to look at it as directions, I go in through the right, then I go upwards, go in through the left, and then I go downwards. 3, 6, 9, 12. East, south, west, north. It's really easy. I'm telling you, it's so easy. It's that easy. The 2-point method, 3-point method, 4-point, whichever one works for you. It's quick. It's going to take some time, but it's pretty easy. Another tip so that you make sure you don't have any holes or gaps in your locks is to make sure that you're pulling the tool up. So basically, you don't leave the tool flat on your scalp. So you're pulling the interlocking tool upwards to where the new growth and the lock meets. And that's how you will prevent any gaps or holes in your locks in between sessions. You use your fingers as a guide so that if you do interlock into another lock, you see that piece of hair, you just snip that with scissors. That's an easy fix. After you get done with that, wash your hair. And here your girl go. All done, all clean, fresh, your scalp will be so tender. So please do not do them extra tight, because I do not do mine extra tight, like at all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.